Repsol, a major petrol company in Spain, was looking for an energy-saving solution in order to leverage and adhere to the Spanish government grants for investments in reduction of energy usage. Invensys Controls Eliwell business is present in Spain through the channel partner Eliwell Iberica, their most important system integrator, providing tailored solutions based on a series of Eliwell open platforms. The system created for Repsol is composed of two innovative Eliwell controllers that include standard energy-saving features applied to refrigeration cabinets and the HVAC system. The recently launched Eliwell Televis Compact Embedded Monitoring Unit is used to collect energy data and to provide a remote maintenance service through an easy-to-access web user interface. Energy XT Pro, the Eliwell programmable platform, is used to control lights and load activations with a program designed and tailored to the customer needs by the system integrator.
The products are easy to use and require a short learning time. Eliwell offers a wide range of products that include a standard solution for refrigeration, heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, catering, and also programmable controllers that allow the development of custom solutions for the control of lights and programmation of loadings. The flexibility of the devices, with the possibility of the remote control in plants, allows to test immediately the application generated for their optimizations in plant. This permits us to offer the best solution to the customer in the shortest time. The collaboration with Eliwell is very strong, and it also requires a period in Italy to learn the ways to work and to improve the relationship with the colleagues. The easy communications and rapid answer from the technical support in Eliwell allows to find solutions that satisfy the customer requirements. This permits to select the best product, and in Eliwell to study new products that can satisfy in a better way the customer needs.
The Invensys system solution for Repsol delivers up to a 20% reduction on their total energy bill, while the competitors offer energy-saving products related to the lighting system only, impacting less than 50% of the total consumption. The solution also provides centralized management of HVAC temperature that enables optimal comfort in the shop while granting energy savings. Working together, Invensys Controls sales and marketing team, along with Eliwell Iberica, created a tailored solution for the customer, giving them a competitive edge and enabling the delivery of a customer-centric solution that delivered real business results.